Hello everyone, welcome to our Teach Learning Tutorials. Today we are going to discuss about the 6W rules of leadership. So are you ready to transform your life and make it remarkable? Let's learn what are the 6Ws in leadership. Number 1, winning. Always have a winning approach in whatever you are doing. Be victorious, be triumphant and be prevailing to create an impression or to make your mark and let your work speak for you. Okay, we have that winning approach. No matter what, it could be a small win, it could be a big win, it could be a win-win as well. Okay, okay. The next W in the 6W rules of leadership stands for well-balanced. Always, always, always aim and strive for attaining a well-balanced approach in your solutions or in your problems. Have a even well-rounded, well thought of, well stable and excellent approach towards your problems, your existing challenges, because or your any work, because it is going to impact a lot of people around you, right? So always take that well balanced approach. You're presenting a lot of people once you are being a leader. The third W in the 6W rules of leadership stands for wisdom. The leader is always capable enough of understanding the problems of the people. Okay, understanding the problems concerning the personal or the professional struggles of the people. So have that insight, perseverance, prudence, compassion, empathy, and understanding attitude to solve those problems of the people. Have that wisdom to embrace the differences and to find the solutions to the existing set of challenges, circumstances, and the situations. All right. The next W in 6W rules of the leadership stands for worthiness. So leader is always worthy enough. Have to be meticulous, have to be meritorious, I would say, the virtuous, and be decent enough to understand those problems, attain that credibility, be the master at your game, become your ultimate best, right? So how can you do that? You can do that and attain that with your actions, with your voice, with your words, with your communication, with your style, with your attitudes, with your helping nature, with your empathy, with your understanding, with your patience, with your compassion. So be worthy of what you're doing and attain the credibility ultimately. Okay. The next W in the 6W stands for welfare. Always be ready for the well-being of others. Think of others before you think of yourself. So leader is always credible and responsible for the well-being, health and prosperity of their teams, of their employees, of their people for whom or who are looking up to you or whom you are leading as a leader. Okay, so you have to think about the welfare of the people at general, the employees at general, or the organizations at general, right? The next W in the 6W rules stands for warm. A leader is always be warm, affectionate, tender, cordial, compassionate with others. You have to be very powerful enough so that people can listen up to you. Be affectionate enough so that they can pour their hearts out, and be tender enough and gentle enough with the people so that the people who are already struggling or into a down phase, they can also reach out to you and thank you as a leader and approach you and can easily speak out their problems, so that once the problems are out, you are able to surface and acknowledge those problems, and then only we can find those solutions to those existing set of problems. So be warm enough and compassionate enough for others so that you can create a life which is sustainable for everyone and you stand out as a leader. So these are the 6W rules of leadership. Hope you like it and it is going to help you out. If you really like and want to see more content and advices on the leadership and leadership training, coaching, mentoring advice, please do follow, like and subscribe and connect. Hope you have a nice day. See you later. Bye bye.